Here's some Velcro origin trivia. Subscribe. Who invented the material Velcro? Is it A. George de Mestral, B. Marie Curie, C. Thomas Edison, or D. Nikola Tesla? The correct answer is A. George de Mestral. In what year was Velcro patented? Is it A. 1948, B. 1962, C. 1970, or D. 1955? The correct answer is D. 1955. What country is associated with Velcro's invention? Is it A. France, B. Germany, C. Italy, or D. Switzerland? The correct answer is D. Switzerland. What profession did George de Mestral have? Is it A. architect, B. engineer, C. chef, or D. botanist? The correct answer is B. engineer. What type of fastener does Velcro represent? Is it A. magnet, B. hook and loop, C. snap, or D. screw? The correct answer is B. hook and loop. In what decade did production of Velcro begin? Is it A. 2000s, B. 1960s, C. 1990s, or D. 1930s? The correct answer is B. 1960s. What was George de Mestral's nationality? Is it A. French, B. American, C. German, or D. Swiss? The correct answer is D. Swiss. What year did George de Mestral die? Is it A. 1995, B. 1985, C. 1990, or D. 2000? The correct answer is C. 1990. In what year did George de Mestral apply for a patent? Is it A. 1951, B. 1955, C. 1965, or D. 1945? The correct answer is A. 1951. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.